Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Roku account. Watch movies and TV shows step by step clearly. Turn on your Roku TV or Roku streaming device and make sure it is connected to the internet. From the home screen, go to Settings and open Network to confirm the connection says connected. Return to the home screen and select Streaming Channels or Channel Store to access apps. Choose the app you want to use, such as the Roku channel, Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, or Hulu. If the app is not installed, select Add Channel and wait for it to finish installing. Open the app from your home screen to start the sign-in process. On the app's welcome screen, select Sign In, Log In, or already have an account. Choose the option that says Sign In on the web, Activate, or get a code if you see it. Write down the activation code shown on your TV exactly as displayed. On your phone or computer, open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. In the browser, type the activation website shown on the TV screen and press Enter. If you are asked, select your country and confirm you are on the correct activation page. Enter the activation code into the website and select Submit or Continue. When prompted, sign in using the email address and password for that streaming service account. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and reset it using your email. After signing in, approve any confirmation message that appears on the website. Go back to the TV and wait a few seconds for the app to refresh automatically. If it does not refresh, exit the app and open it again to load your account. For the Roku account itself, open a browser and go to My Roku.com. Select Sign In and enter the email and password used for your Roku account. If you do not have a Roku account yet, select Create Account and follow the on-screen steps. On your Roku device, go to Settings, then System, then About to see which Roku account is linked. If you need to link the device, go to Settings, then System, then Advanced System Settings, then Factory Reset only if necessary. After linking, open the Roku channel to watch free movies and live TV with your Roku account. To add more apps, return to Channel Store and install the services you want to use. To manage subscriptions, sign in at My Roku.com and open Manage Your Subscriptions. To improve playback, restart your Roku by going to Settings, then System, then Power, then System Restart. Finally, open your chosen app and select a movie or TV show to start watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.